Hello and Happy New Year. Well, if there's one thing that we all learned in business from last year, it's this, that if you don't have a way to reach your customers and clients online, then you are dead in the water. As unfortunately, we have seen so many businesses close because they hadn't already figured out a way to make that happen. Maybe they were a brick and mortar and or retail restaurant. But we have all got to figure this out if we're going to continue to thrive and survive in 2021 and beyond. And I think we also all know that the number one way to show up online and to reach our customers is through video. My name is Jeannie Park, and I'm the owner of Tree Swing Video, and I'm starting a weekly vlog series called the Video Marketing Minute, and I'm going to be sharing just free content, free tips and tricks to help you figure out how to use video marketing in your business. So I'm going to share with you some statistics from a company called Wise Owl. And every year they do a study on marketing and video marketing. And so this is hot off the presses from 2020's statistics. So they found out that people watch on average 16 hours of online video per week. 16 hours, that's per person. And 84% of people say that they have been convinced to buy a product or service by watching a brand's video. 84%. And that's why this platform is so important, because it is the highest converting form of media that you can use, is video. They also, Wise Owl also found that 85% of businesses are currently using video as a marketing tool. 85%. So that means there's a good chance that you or your company, your business has already figured out that video is very important. However, it's possible that you've made one video, put it on your website, and called it good. Maybe you've had a sort of scattershot, throw spaghetti on the wall approach to putting a few videos half-heartedly on social media, but it's not really converting. So I'm sure that you have some questions, and now is the perfect time at the top of the year in January to really put a strategy and roadmap together. So if you have questions about how to do that, what kind of videos you should be making, how to calendar it, if you have questions about pricing to work with a professional company, and or just how the process works, I want you to reach out to me. Again, my name is Jeannie Park with Tree Swing Video, and you can email me at info@treeswingvideo.com. or just message me through this platform directly and I'll get back to you. So hope to talk to you soon. And again, Happy New Year.